Okay, we're continuing on with our micro IoT by DFRobot using the microbit version 2.0. We're using charting in the cloud with Thingspeak, both to the cell phone and to a laptop. Here's the smoke detector. Here is our micro IoT with the microbit in it. We've got the program in here. When I turn this on, we've got first a red light, then a blue light. As it's connecting to the internet, it'll turn green, and that will show us that we now have an internet connection. Here is what the sensor looks like, and here is what the charting looks like on the laptop, same as on the cell phone. I'm going to press the B button and it will give us a smoke reading. 308. I'll try that again. Smoke level 302. Now it takes a few seconds before we can send another data packet to the Thingspeak system. We have to wait about 15 seconds to get a data signal sent. Now I'm going to go ahead and press the B button again. We'll get a reading. 348, and that should go to Thingspeak, and you should see an increase there. Now we'll press the B button, get a reading. 405. Again, that should be sent to Thingspeak, and it should be above the 400 mark. There it is.